going on the track itself and getting up to speed and going around the corners. It was amazing.
Standout moments would be being told off when I'm accelerating a little bit too hard, which is very, very easy in these cars, right? Yeah.
Coming off the line throws you back in your chair. I don't even know what words you can even use. That was unreal.
But yeah, I mean, the skid pan is amazing, isn't it? It's fantastic. Being able to not spin it round was good as well.
It's been really good to see the technology when someone's not wearing their seatbelt or you're using your mobile phone. It's coaching you and alerting you.
Put down phone.
It's for you, for your benefit. If you don't have it and something bad does happen, you'll wish you have had it.
Samsara gives you that data that you don't have. You've got to embrace it. It's the future, and that's the way we're going forward.
Without the data, you can't really manage the situation. It's a cliche, people say it a lot, but it's true.
It's been a game changer for us. It's changed the way we've fundamentally gone about health and safety when it comes to driving.